I'm sorry I didn't record. I got my sister with me, but I just took these. I took these bearings out of this wheel, and I had 4 of these, and these are like either brand new or very old wheels. And my hands are bright red and all nasty because these bearings are so hard. And my parents took me up with some new wheels and some new trucks. So I have Thunder Hollow Lights and Formula 4 Spitfire wheels.
Not just Daddy and Mommy. I come to with them too. I bought that for you too.
So I'm gonna put these up and let's open these.
So, let's open the blue one. Look at my muscles.
No, I lost it. In the back. These are so cool.
No. Mommy, Daddy, and me buy those for you.
Did you pay for them with your money? No.
No. Well, I helped them buy it.
Oh snap.
What?
The longer lasting wheels, and it came with, I hope, a sticker. So, this right here. I looked at the point of these, and it came with a, I don't know what this is. I think it's an actual like foil bearing or just a plate. Alright, so you can easily tell that my trucks are done for. You know what I mean?
Yep. Thank you.
And these are brand new. Came with these too. And the wheel bolts on my old board were disgusting. And I don't even know if they came on in these. This is kind of cool. They're like on every single one, except they're all different ones. That's really cool. My dogs are so annoying. Thunder Trucks. This one says Loose Truck Thunder Trucks. And this one says No Control. No, okay, no. Put my bolts in. I've actually never had the washer with like the bearing separator thing. I've actually never had those. I just never thought they were needed them. These are brand spanking new trucks. Spanking new.
You're spanking me?
You never want to, when you're setting up a board, I'm not even sure if you can see me setting it up. I mean, it's GoPro and it has a super wide angle. But like, what you want to do when you set up your bolts is, let me do this real quick as a demonstration. So, to make it to where your board is safer, I guess, is, you always want to set up your board. When you first put your trucks in, you want to put them like this and that. And then put it in, put the bearings in on the back. And then you want to go boom, boom. And then you want to put it in, and you want to tighten it from this one to this one to this one to this one. Instead of going like that, or something, or like that, or something. You want to always do it diagonal or straight. So, I mean, I think your board would be better breaking like this, or cracking like this, than rather than cracking like this, because that would just instantly snap it. So, yeah.
Way over here.
Get off in bed. I can wash my sheets.
What?
Alright, so that's it. I'm done tiling. Hey, we're gonna go to the park tomorrow. So, yeah, stop. Oh, wait. So, yeah. Hopefully, I'm gonna go to the skate park tomorrow and skate too because I really want to skate those trucks. I think I got that.
Like a regular nigga, now I'm about what type of nigga. A nigga, he went and took the rap, I shot him, but people, they still treat me like I'm a big dog. They talking like the activists be discontinued. Check my couple, muddy trouble, got books in that alley, can't be wrong with passing my range. Drop down when I'm on the rebel, drop taking a brick and we missing with the dog food. Got a brick, I would've known on the nigga, you blues clues. 24K on my chain with the TV, no jumping like a bunch, give it hard, yeah. Come and take a few help, no, I got more money, fucking up, beat this. Till a nigga be coming cross the country. You may never been there, can't be crossed.
Cleanest one yet.